Dr. Sridhar Kavil, one of the greatest leadership minds, a scholar statesman, and a true human who inspired millions of young and old alike by his works and deeds. We have lost a great son of Kerala who dedicated his entire life for the welfare of the motherland and its people. Dr. Kavil was the current advisory board chairman of World Malayali Council. Dr. Sridhar Kavil is a man of education. He has a doctorate in international business from Pace University, an MBA from Long Island University, New York, an MBA, LLB and BCom from Calcutta University and a BA from Madras University. Dr. Kavil served as the chairman of Department of Marketing at the Peter J. Tobin College of Business, St. John's University in New York since 1998 to 2005. He is also the president of Kavil Consultants. He was the vice chairman of United States Indian American Chamber of Commerce, Washington, D.C. Dr. Kavil has traveled several times to 35 countries on business. He conducted numerous seminars in many different locations, including Europe and Far East. He has represented the U.S. Department of Commerce on a U.S. trade mission to the Far East in 1978. His presentation at the 1999 Convention of World Malayali Council was on entrepreneurial talents in America. A minority perspective was widely appreciated and received. His tireless efforts brought out the successful negotiation of the renewal of a $420 million loan for the project Narmada with the World Bank in July 1991. He was honored by the Chief Minister of Gujarat for the excellence in community service. On May 24, 2000, he received the Outstanding Faculty Achievement Award from St. John's University. He was awarded the American Spirit Medal by President Bush on October 20, 2006. Dr. Kavil represented the United States of America on the historic trade mission to India in November-December 2006.
And face it successfully. In my mind, this unity is a mirage. The more you go in favor of it, you will find it moving backwards and backwards.
We, WMC, remember him as our great leader and a great socio-community activist who always led us to the path of success. He was our strength. He showed us the way. He enlightened our lives. He fought with the Supreme Court to get the justice for NRIs in protecting their valuables back at home. Although no words can really help to ease this loss, Dr. Kavil, there are no goodbyes for us. Wherever you are, you will always be in our hearts.